What is going on, you beautiful people? Welcome back to yet another episode of Resident Evil. I'm a little bit nervous this time, I'm not gonna lie. There was a little bit of a gap between this video and the last. Sometimes I get a couple of them recorded at the same time. Other times I have to kind of wait. So now that we're caught up and I'm actually running out of footage, some of my friends at work, I told them that I finished up killing Lady D. And now they're telling me that this next section is going to be absolutely terrifying. They were very nice about not spoiling it for me, which I really do appreciate. So we're going to go ahead and see what happens here. Last thing I know is we did fight Lady D, came out victorious, ended up getting Eve, I believe, in a jar, or at least the head of her. So, oh, these guys are out and about now. That's kind of terrifying. Interesting. So I wonder what that's all about. I wonder if there's a reason to go back there. You know what? We'll do that later. Let's take a look and see if there's anything in the town of which I can do anything with. We still have these wells that I don't know what to do with. There's an iron insignia key. Wait, we have that now, don't we? Hold on, let's go up here and check out what this is all about. Nice. All right. What? Check it. Oh my god. And I play Warzone. Ooh, a little handheld. Thank you. They knew. What would be? It's locked from the other side. All right. Wonder if this is like gonna be like a fast travel-esque area. Oh, another chicken. Okay, I don't see anything else to do here. Interesting. All right. Was there any reason to be up here? Aha! Still unsure if that actually does anything. I remember the first one saying beware of, like, actually doing that, but... That's the winged key, isn't it? Wait, doesn't this lead up to... Is that where I go next? Oh, 6 winged key. I have a 4 winged key. What is this? Merchant? No, okay. Oh, we can use the insignia here, too. Let's see if we can go over that way. Might as well check this out real quick. I'm totally not stalling. Wait, are we able to go back out through here? How would we get there? Maybe we can't yet? I don't know. Because I know over... Yeah, this is the red roof. I don't think we're able to go there yet. All right, so no secrets. Let's go ahead and jump to... Is there really, like... I was really hoping we'd find out how to get into this wagon wheel thingy. All right, let's go back over and visit the merchant, which I think was up this way. Hey, you were correct. Oh, that's right. We didn't finish this.
How was it? Did you learn anything?
I found these feathers. Now tell me how to fix this like you said you would.
Settle down. First, you must use that key and collect all of your little roses flasks.
Where are the rest of them?
There are 4 in total. You have the one.
How do you
The
know
lords
all
have
this?
The rest.
Lords?
Mother Miranda is the cold, calculating ruler of this village. 4 lords serve under her. The first you've already met, the Lady Dimitrescu. The second lives
she's
deep in
beautiful.
a valley of mist, the doll-maker, Donna Beneviento.
Hate that. Hate that.
None of her playmates have ever come back from that dank old estate. The third is Moreau, a being of twisted flesh that lives in the reservoir past the windmills. It It is said that he is not the only monster that lives in those waters.
Oh, water monsters. When you have monsters, bad. When you have water, bad. When you have monsters in the water.
The fourth and most dangerous is Heisenberg. He works in his factory on the village outskirts. And the project. Let's just say parts of the human imagination are better left alone.
Not a fan. Oh, new stuff added to the map. Okay, interesting.
If you truly wish to save your daughter, you must first gather the 4 flasks. I'll do you a personal favor. I've marked the Lord's locations on your map.
I'm guessing I have to do those in a specific order, right?
This village. I'm sure each one will prove of great use to you.
Why are you doing all this?
Why, it's all part of our first-class customer service.
Okay, I mean that.
Please
okay.
do come again soon.
Sounds good. You got it. All right. So I don't know how much of this I'm going to leave in, how much I'm going to skip, but I noticed that there are apparently treasures and stuff abound. So I think real quick, let's go see if we can figure out what those are. He says they're kind of helpful. And again, this is not me stalling after getting a warning about what comes next. Totally, absolutely not the case. Oh, I need to buy shotgun ammo. One moment. Yeah, he does seem like a nice guy. What a nice guy. Correct. Hey,
Welcome, Ethan. Ah, yes.
I do
have
like
you.
his voice.
Find some quality ingredients and bring them to me.
The Duke's Kitchen. Herbed fish. What? What is the point of this? Damage taken when guarding greatly. Oh, wow. Oh, these are actual upgrades for food and stuff. Okay. Good to know. Okay. All right. Supplies. I need shotgun ammo. Oh, he's out of shotgun ammo. That's right. I forgot about that part. Also, still have... people are telling me I should probably buy this back at some point. Increases the number of slots you can have in your inventory. Not worried about it. I can craft pipe bombs. Interesting. Kind of want to pick up this. You know, oh,
I'm
no.
skilled at all sorts of weapons
No.
modifications, and will do them for a small fee. Aha!
I mean, it's not like I can really use it right now, but I mean, I have it. Gunsmithy. Oh, that's right. We got a new, we got the new pistol, don't we? Hold on. Which one is the automatic one? It's this one, right? I think it's this one, right? The M19, it does more. Is that, hold on.
Thank you for your patronage.
M1911. Yeah, that's the,
Naturally.
okay. I think this one's much better. Let's go ahead and upgrade this one a little bit. Oh, wow. That is expensive.
Oh, it's fine. All finished.
All right. That was a lot of money. All right. So let's go ahead
Wonderful adventure.
and switch this to the new pistol. Just testing. Yeah, it's the fully automatic one. Okay. This one does more damage, so we're going to run with this. That was a little bit ominous. Okay, it looks like, wait, down this way. Wait, will a pipe bomb blow this up? Do I have a pipe bomb? Hey, can I get a pipe bomb? Oh my goodness. I really, there has to be, what? How do I get there? How would I get there? I want to get here. We're going to find out. There's someone in there. Okay, so we would go this way, then around to the right. Trying to do this as fast as I can here. Okay, somewhere in here. Yeah, okay. And then this way. To whom it may concern, due to Luthier's long absence, I am keeping hold of this house key. Please find me if you need it. Regards, Joseph Simon, Bienventure's gardener. Oh. Okay, so I can't even go here yet. Well, that's unfortunate. Now, is it possible to get over here? We'll take a quick look. I'm assuming not, but... What's this? Ooh, lockpick. Wait, I can use a lockpick for something here. Ah! Thanks. Appreciate it, sweet. It does not look like we are going to be able to make it over there. So I don't even know how to get there yet. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, I could have just gone through. I don't want to talk about it. Okay, well, at least we have a lockpick that we can use in here now. All right, give me something good. Ooh, yes. That is actually really good. Oh, I needed some of that. I don't think there's anything else. Oh, there's something in here. Louise's heirloom? Okay, last time. Hopefully I'll be smart and actually just edit out all of this. And not like one of the first videos. I think it was number 2 where I'm like, oh, look, I'm going to use the restroom. Let's see how good my editing skills are. And then I didn't, as I was informed by several people. How do I get there? I think, can I get through here? Oh, what's that? Vivian Night? What is that? Green mineral known from the region, might be worth something. Interesting. Teddy bear? Terrifying, and I hate it. Man, I should have come down here a long time ago. My goodness. Gunpowder? Jeez, I don't look around enough in this game. Chem fluid? Look at me go. Back around through here. I'm glad this game gave me a lot of stuff to stall with. Okay, we may have to worry about these flying guys up here. They're probably put up here because of the whole heirloom thingy that I might be able to get. Might be starting to regret not picking up the shoot gun or the sniper rifle. I should say selling it more than anything, but oh, let me cross. Thank you. Let me cross. I saw something. Ah! Ah! What did we learn? Bam. Bam. All right, we're reloading. Oh, they are coming at us fast. No. Bad. You're done, son. Nice. Man, we so fast. Look at us go. Got some money out of it. Wasted a lot of ammo, but that's... Oh, I keep forgetting about the bags of flour. Apparently, that's something I can really be using here. All right, so where would Louisa's heirloom be? Is this Louisa's heirloom? Louise's necklace. Wait, she has a necklace a lot like Ingrid's. Wonder what that's all about. What's this? Explosive rounds? Excuse me? Projectile for grenade launchers? Wait, is that Louise's heirloom? I mean... There's a pig over there. I feel like I need to kill that pig. Where's the pig? Oh, you're a hefty boy. I'm sorry, buddy. But I think I need your meat. Yes. Interesting. Do I have it? Do I have a... Oh, I have a wheel well. When did I pick this up? Oh, I don't trust whatever's coming up there. Pipe bombs. I didn't realize I already had this. I am so dumb. I could have already been visiting these. All right, give me a second here. We're going to fly through this. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. There's one back here. Let's grab whatever we can back here. I wonder if there's any significance to that necklace or if I should just sell it and make money. Necklace with 2 holes? An ornate necklace made of pure gold. Something could fit in the crevice. I can't combine it with anything. All right, so I guess I can find something to add to that. Interesting. All right, I guess we'll hold on to that and see what else we can get out of that. Might be able to make some easy monies. Is there any other well that I can get? Down here, yes. Would be... Wait, did I get this one already? I did not get this one already. I'm really scared something's going to jump out in one of these. Animal head, wooden. Okay, wait. Hey, I made a goat. A slightly dirty teddy bear. The Duke will probably buy it. Valuable. Interesting. So wait, it was wooden goat. Wait, nope. No. Very valuable. Wooden figure of the goat looks like it was used in rituals. Okay, all right. We'll take it. Is there any other that I can get? I might be able to get this one. Looks like it's... Oh, yeah. We could get this one. Should we? Should we real quick? I'm going to go get it. Wait, can we get it? Hold on. Wait. Hold on. How did we do this last time? I tried to get this one, right? Which means, yes, I should be able to... I should be able to, right? If I go this way, maybe? All right. Listen. We might not get a lot done this episode, but we're going to definitely prepare for the next one. Around we go this way. So it looks like if we go in here and to the right... One, there's going to be some chickens. That we can get some more meat off of. Is that all we can do? Is that all we were able to actually do here? Apparently so. Okay. How did we get to Beneventus? The red area. Not that way. We already got that one. Don't need to worry about that. How did we do that? Okay, wait. I think we could just straight up go through here. I think I'm just being dumb. Yeah. Pipe bomb. Nice. Was not a fan of all those sounds. Man, I really don't look around a lot, do I? I am not an observant man. Oh, no, that's right. You can't because, like, it jumps you down here. Okay, so we do have to take the long way around. Son of a mother. Anything in here we can get? Little meat smoker. Neat. Yes. Okay. Hold on. Just double checking. Oh, was not ready for you, buddy. Up we go. To the right. Wait, no. There was a well back here first. Okay, let's not waste time. Let's do this proper. We go up here and get this well. Go back, get that well. And then we'll, my goal will be to cap off this video by at least getting up to the new, boss's domain. Nice. The lockpick, good. Can we go through here? It's locked from the other side. Oh, this is the, original house. Okay. Workshop. Oh, I remember this place. No, nothing to do here. Okay. So if we go back through here, loop around, we can get to... Oh, wait, this is the well that we were looking for. I take it back. Never mind. Excellent. I guess now we can head home. Yes. There's a lock in there, but I don't know if we can even get that one. So let's go ahead and get back home. We'll go stop by, see if we can sell some of our goodies. And make our way to House Bienevento. Can I get up here real quick? There is a lock. There are no... Wait, is there really no stairs up from here? How do I get into this house? Can I get into this house? Someone's gonna jump out at me. Something lock pickable in here. Where is it? Not in this room. Okay, got it. Aha. And give. I will take it. Thank you very much. Okay, for real now. We're leaving. Let's go up, see the Duke, and go from there. Hey, buddy.
Oh, good. I was just thinking of ways to pass the time.
Duke's purse, large crystal. Sell. Yeah.
As always, a trustworthy, fair exchange.
Please don't say things so suspiciously.
And buy it I will.
Perfect crystal skull. Crystallized remains of a lichen. Let's sell it.
To think I would buy such things.
Crystal wings. We will sell 2 of those. I don't want to sell Crystal Dimitrescu just because she's perfect. Azure Eye, we're going to hold on to. Necklace with 2 holes. We're going to hold off on that. We're going to hold off on this. Teddy bear. Ingrid's necklace. I don't know if there's even any reason to sell onto that. So we're
satisfied? I believe this is a fair price.
Wooden goat. Yes. Fish, quality meat, handgun ammo, Lemmy. I think that's all I want to sell now. Yeah, I think that's all I'm going to sell for now. That puts us up a good bit now, though. So that's kind of nice. I could also upgrade.
These hands are more dexterous than one might think.
All right, we're going to do that.
Mind.
Let's buy a pipe bomb.
I saw you eyeing that one.
All right, we are good.
Again.
Oh, wait a minute. That's the umbrella. I didn't even realize this raised. Aha! Okay, all right. Interesting.
What the hell?
Interesting. Okay. So Mother Miranda was there when when the whole kid thing happened. All right. So I'm assuming this is the way to all the other peoples. Let's see. Can we go up this way? Oh, we were already here, but it looks like there's something on the right up here. Let's take a quick look. Aha! I was in... Yep. All right, hold on. Oh, never mind. I was not intelligent enough for that. My bad. Is there anything I can use here? Nope. Okay, just kidding. There is something else up here. Can we take a look at that real quick? I think that wasn't that just another well thingy. I don't think this is the way I'm supposed to go to the next boss from what it looks like, but we'll check. Never know. No, it was one of these things again. That's right. Wait, this one looks like it's unlocked. Yeah, this one looks like it's... Is there anything I could put here? I doubt it. Huh. Yeah, this must be for later. Can I go through here? That is a no. Okay. All right, for real though. Let's head out of here. That's gonna be interesting. There's so many little secrets to this game that I'm not familiar with that I'm so excited to learn more about this universe. They are doing a really good job of building that universe. Now, I'm really curious about something else in this game while we travel on to this next area. And that is specifically that apparently these guys lived with everything that's going on for a very long time. Like, this village has been here. Lady Dimitrescu has been here for a while. Why all of a sudden is things getting kind of nuts? You know what I mean? Like, why all of a sudden the betrayal? Oh, this looks lovely. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm good. I want to collect a lot of these. I don't know if they're ever actually going to have anything on. Oh, I hate this. Oh, these are dolls. Not a fan. Not if, well, I mean, it makes sense. She's the doll maker, but interesting switch back here. I wonder if that means I'm gonna have to run from something. It's interesting when you start seeing like patterns in game design. You're like, I kind of see what might happen here. Oh no, nope, nah, I'm good. I'm good. We're just gonna. This is gonna break. Oh, do not like this. Wait, is that a bridge? Yeah, not a fan. Not a fan. 10 out of 10. Not a fan of this.
Ethan.
What?
Hey, babe. You're not gonna do something scary jumpy, are you?
Ethan, come with me. There's something I have to tell you.
Mia?
Sure. All right, this is
What's
probably...
going on?
I don't have a gun anymore. Me and not have gun.
Rose feels different. Ethan, you have to fix her.
She's not a
hell is this?
fixer. She's not a
Everyone
machine.
leaves me.
Is she?
Even Rose. I don't want to be alone.
Well, if you stop walking away, we may be able to fix this. Oh, this looks fine. I'm okay with all of this. Yes. Come on, just walk it. I'll be something bien viento. Freed from the binds of flesh, she now walks the valley of death. Donna? Wait. I thought Bienventu was supposed to be a, oh, that's kind of cool. A musician, wasn't they? Or wasn't one of them or something? Maybe I'm wrong. Give up your memories. Oh, okay. Hold on. Is there anything on the, before I just straight up get rid of this? How do I rotate? There we go. Okay, nothing on the back. All right. The keywords are a friendly and safe environment, right?
What's going on?
Pure little jumpers. She was adorable. For sure. Hopefully our baby will not end up less adorable. Now I noticed we're putting the things of our daughter in like slots. I don't know if that's gonna help rebuild her, but oh, I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. I especially don't like the fact that everything's so, oh, I hate this. I don't know where to look. I don't know where to look. I don't know where to look. Oh, that was a neat way to transition through a level. Dude, look how good this looks. Ooh, that quack got me. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Oh, let's get my heart racing. Ooh, pretty. Oh, I haven't gotten a thumbnail for this one yet, have I? There we go. Hold on. Wait. Let's get a thumbnail right there. All right. Hold on. Wait. Let me do this. Let me do this. Yeah. Perfect. And then I do this. Perfect. Got my thumbnail. Let's go. Adrenaline is nature's coffee. Yeah. What a way to put it. Okay, at least I got my shotgun back. So, there's that. That's happy fun times. Okay, I know I'm supposed to go in, but you know for a fact I'm going to look around real quick. Uh-huh. I'm also wondering how many I'm missing here, but you know what? That's fine. Dude, this is so pretty. Do you guys think you could live next to a giant waterfall like this? Like, I'm sure you get used to it, but that is loud. Always. Hello. Konnichiwa. Well, this is a lovely home. Oh, there's something back there.
Boo!
We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. It didn't get me. I just, I was clearing my throat. All right. I'm just going to look around this house first. I like the needle. That's kind of neat. Eh. Okay, it's yellow, which means it's going to be... Guys. Guys. Oh, this is lovely, too. Oh, they set out tea for me. Like, this is actually a lovely home. That is not, though, and I hate everything about that. I shouldn't do that. I don't want to make... You know what? I immediately regret it. I don't want to make them mad. What is this? What is this? What is this? That is in another language. What is that? There has to be a reason that's there. Yellow flower. We got to remember the yellow flower.
You betcha, sweet Bippy, I did.
Guys! Oh, this is less good. This is less good. I'm leaving. Like, what? No, we need a bigger gun for this. Oh, now it's lovely again. Y'all! You know what happens when I get worked up like this. Oh, please be going up. Please go up. Please go up. Please go up. Please go up. Oh, okay. All right. What is this? Is there anything I can do? Is there nothing I can do in here? Are we good? Well, that is a lovely picture of death. Okay, they are like very educated. They have a lot of books. The filing cabinet's out of place, but you know, whatever. A breaker box. Huh. I know all about that. If you guys were here during the live stream, which of course, as you can see, I'm doing this live. I started my intro. I was like, what's up, you beautiful people? You know, the thing from the beginning of the video. And immediately I flipped the breaker. Okay. I hear music.
For so long.
What?
I'd make a much better daughter than Rose. Please.
Wow.
Stay with me
Yeah, wow.
forever.
What?
Oh!
Where's my gun?
Wait, what? I don't... They took my guns. They took my guns. They took my one grasp of safety away. Why? What? Guys, I specifically said games like this aren't scary when they give you shoot guns. They are scary when your community decides to play all the sound bites right when you're absolutely terrified. But I don't have a gun anymore. This game just got so much worse. Like, so much worse. That being said, I'm gonna try to do my best to make this video not boring. And I'm fine. I'm gonna go try to convince myself to get another recording done super fast so this will go on and kind of have the same continuation. We'll see what happens though. But either way, if you guys are watching this on YouTube, thank you very much for hanging out with myself in the community. It's a pleasure having you here. There's a good chance that I'm live at the end of all these videos. If you want to check us out live, please consider checking out the link below. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. But until then, stay awesome. Much love. Shark out.